Hi, my name is Stephanie Sisson. Everybody has some anxiety, but it can get to be a problem when it's getting in the way of your life. Anxiety can show up as panic attacks, phobias, obsessive thinking, constantly trying to fix things or keep things under control, or maybe just a low-grade chronic worry. Anxiety not only doesn't feel good, but it tends to make our life smaller and smaller as we limit what we want to do. I don't want to be in this situation. I don't want to go to this place. Anxiety has a lot to do with focusing on what's wrong or potentially wrong. And from a survival or evolutionary standpoint, we're wired to notice what's wrong. Thousands of years ago, the human who could see that something wasn't quite right in their environment, well, that was the person who was going to live to see another day. Today, however, most of us are not in survival situations on a day-to-day basis. But there is a lot going on in our environment, and it's easy for us to be constantly looking around trying to see what's not right. And so anxiety turns into this kind of smoke detector that's always going off. So when the smoke detector is always going off, though, it's hard to tell when there's actually a fire. We're just always on alert and not knowing what to actually pay attention to. When we work together, part of what we'll do is work with being able to move the attention. So being able to move the attention from between unpleasant and pleasant, between what's happening internally and what's happening outside, between what's happening in the head or the mind and what's happening in the body. When the attention can move more fluidly, then we come more into balance, not only emotionally, but like at a nervous system level. We can be ready and alert when the situation calls for it, but when it doesn't, we can relax and soften. Anxiety can be very exhausting, and if you're ready to have more energy for yourself and your life and give less energy to anxiety, then maybe it's time for you to get some help. If you're interested in finding out more about using mindfulness and body-oriented techniques to help with your anxiety, then you can call me at 206-765-6077, or you can go to my website at www.seattlesomatictherapy.com. Thanks.